Let's start by logging into your admin dashboard. Once you're in, you're going to go ahead and click Opportunities from the navigation, and then click Add Opportunity. First, you're going to create a name. You want to avoid words like volunteer or your organization's name because these will already be a given. Next, you're going to create a short description. You want to tell volunteers a little bit about what they'll be doing and who it will be helping, without going into too much detail, as there will be other areas to provide this information. Then you're going to select who you would like to be able to see this opportunity. You can keep it open so anyone can see it, or make it private. Next, we're going to tell them a little more about the opportunity. Under Purpose, you really want to explain to the volunteer why they're going to be doing this, and who it's going to be helping, and how. Next, for Role, you're going to tell the volunteer exactly what they're going to be doing during this time. After this is Vibe. Here you want to use just a few words to explain what the opportunity is going to be like. For example, it could be formal or messy. Then we have you answer a few quick questions to elaborate on this. We ask these questions because research shows that these are the biggest determining factors people use when deciding to volunteer or not. And finally, you will add some tags. These are going to be words that people use to find your opportunity. So I would add things like reading or children to this opportunity to help people find it. Now let's add the location. Type in the address and find it from the list below, and then add the name, suite number, or any other identifying information in the address info. Also, add a contact name and phone number of a person someone can contact when they're at the location. Now let's create some time slots. Here you can choose the maximum attendance. If there is no maximum, you can type in 0 for unlimited spots. Next, you'll choose the frequency, date, start, and end times. Once you're finished, you can click Add Time Slots and it will automatically populate below. Here you can edit each individual attendance, start and end time, or date. Next, you'll add some pro tips. These are things like bring a jacket or parking in rear. Then you will identify if a background check is required, if an emergency contact is required, if there is a waiver or form that needs to be filled out, or if a volunteer needs a parent permission form. However, we highly recommend only using these features if they're absolutely necessary, as the more information you ask a volunteer for, the less likely they are to sign up. And finally, you'll upload some photos. We recommend staying away from posed group shots or ones without people. Try to choose pictures that show volunteers engaged in the activity and give readers a sense of what they will be doing. Now you'll review your opportunity and make sure that everything looks good and all the information is correct. Here you'll see what it will look like on our app interface when users will read it. Once you're done, you can scroll to the bottom and you can choose to continue editing, saving as a draft, or submit. And that's it, you're all done. Thanks for watching. For more information about Golden, please visit our website at www.goldenvolunteer.com.